Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone out there, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking precious time out of your day to spend it with me and see what I have to show you. And today I have something from Amazon that I ordered. I don't know which one this one is, but I will find out in just a second. So it came very well packaged in this box. Okay, I know which one it is now. And let's see if we can get it out. It is in here, and it's as long as that box. So it's a Diamond Dotz, guys. This is a Diamond Dotz. I love Diamond Dotz. Diamond Dotz is licensed art. And their paintings come out beautifully. So this one is a 40.64 by 50.8 centimeter or 16 by 20 inch. And that's the design size. The fabric size is 48.64 by 58.8 centimeters or 19.1 by 23.1 inches. And what's special about this is it is a Thomas Kinkade. And the name of this is Deer Creek Chapel. So this is a Thomas Kinkade image. And I got this one on Amazon. However, it sold out on Amazon. And so I went over to the Diamond Dotz site to look for it. And it is sold out on the Diamond Dotz site right now. So I apologize. However, the image was so pretty. I have to show you guys. I have to show you. Lots of drills there. All right. This is an intermediate diamond painting. I don't know if it's round. Let's see. It doesn't say. Let me look. It is a round drill. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, the toolkit's in here. Sorry. Let me show you the toolkit real quick before we open this canvas. So our toolkit comes with a pen, a squishy, some wax, and some baggies. That's what the toolkit looks like. All right, let's get into this painting because I really want to see this. So this canvas has perforated and scalloped edges. Oh, it's so pretty. It's going to need a little help here to straighten it out. And inside you get instructions, and it is in several different languages here. So it would help if I had it turned the right way. front and back, I believe. And again, this is Diamond Dotz. Thomas Kinkade is the artist. But there is all your instructions that come with this. I am going to give this a little roll back. Don't know if you guys have seen this one or not, but it sure is pretty. Now, I did get it on sale. There's some extra adhesive on the back of this. Look at this canvas. I'm going to go this part backward a little because it was rolled the opposite. All right. Let's see what we have. So this has like an outer frame that's not diamond painted here. So a border that follows along with the image. And it is gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. So there are deer down here. There's the church. The mountains in the background. I believe that's mountains. Maybe it's just clouds. It's very dark in here, and it's not as dark for you guys. You guys are getting a much better image of this than I am. But it looks like some mountains back there. And then the trees. So very pretty. And so this has 33 colors. There are no specials in it. At the bottom here, you have your canvas number and the title of the canvas. And then you look over here and look, it's signed by Thomas Kinkade over here in the bottom corner. So awesome. This is a beautiful, beautiful painting. And here are the colors. Get these out. As I said, there are no special drills here, but I will take you through the colors real quick. And then I'll let you look at the drill field. I'm gonna need a light board for this one. But I think it's gonna be beautiful. You can see that those bright colors are really gonna make this pop right here. Let's see. So this bright yellow is going to be in these windows, and that's really going to pop out. Alright, let's have a look at these. Diamond Dotz do not go by DMC codes, but let me tell you, their drills, you can get a conversion chart for them on Google to go to DMC. But their drills are super, super shiny. Here. So there's gonna be some color in this that's really gonna pop that the canvas isn't showing you. So there are those drills. And then the drill field, guys, look at that. Hopefully it's not too much of a, I know there's a little glare, and I hope that's not too blurry. I mean, the canvas is not blurry. I will tell you it's not, but my camera may be. But that is the drill field. Is that just not gorgeous, y'all? Look at that. I love it. I love the churches. I just absolutely love them. So that is what I have for you today. I know it wasn't a very long video, but I wanted to show you what I got. And so thank you so very, very much for joining me. Give me a like and let me know what you think about this canvas. And remember, always show the love of Jesus, guys. Be kind to others even when they're not kind to you. You never know what someone else is going through. Give someone a kind word or a smile, because you don't know what a difference you might make in that person's day or even more. God bless you, and until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.